Hi guys, as you probably guessed from the title of this video, today is my Beautylish Lucky Box unboxing. Woo! I don't know how many of you are repeat viewers from last year's, but let's hope I get as good of a box this year as I did last year. I haven't even opened the box that this came in, so we're gonna get a first look at this together. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box together. First cut. Oh wow, last year they had really cute paper too. And so I'm excited to see what this looks like. I try to reuse this paper as well so that it doesn't just go in the trash. Like I make notebooks out of it. So let's try not to damage this. Look at this cute little tag, Lucky Bag 2025. It says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." So I'm gonna keep that. And let's take a look inside the box. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get the paper out without going inside the box first. So let's go ahead and look at what we have here. There's some black paper on top. All right. So right on the top, wow, that's already a really great item. We have a Natasha Denona Golden Highlighter Trio. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I don't know how well these colors show on the camera, but that is absolutely beautiful. I love that so much. So already we have a Natasha Denona item. I am thrilled, and we're just on the first item. Okay, so let's see what we have next. We have a Kitsch hair clip, and this is really thick plastic. I don't think I've ever seen a hair clip with quite this thick of plastic, which maybe that means it'll hold on better, and the opening for your hair is really big, so maybe this would be really good for people with thick hair. I know a lot of claw clips, if you hear crunching and squeaking in the back, my dogs are over there eating and playing with toys. But this will hold a whole lot of hair. A lot of claw clips have a very small area where it'll actually grip. And so I feel like this would be excellent for thick hair, which I have. So I'm excited to have this. We got some Good Molecules pimple patches. So it comes with 60 in this little box. That's great. Luckily, I don't get pretty bad acne, but every once in a while I do. So these will come in handy. I've never used one, but I am excited to try them. And if my boyfriend needs them, he can use some too. So that'll help a lot. Very excited about that. Oh, we got a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Luxury Palette of Pops, a color-coded eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing this is a quad. Yes, it's a quad, so let's open that. Oh, I don't know how well you can see that. I checked the footage of the highlighter to make sure you guys could see the colors, and I saw that they came out very well. So I'm hoping you can see this. They're all very almost glittery. Let me see. Let's swatch some of these. So they're all very nice. This brown one swatched very well, and the other ones would be nice for adding like a subtle glittery hint of color. And I barely put my fingers in these, and that one's very pigmented. I really like that. So that's really nice to have a Charlotte Tilbury item in here. Now I have glitter all over my hands. I need to go wash this off. You guys, I just tried to use a wet paper towel to take this eyeshadow off my hand. I don't know if you can see, but this entire paper towel is covered in glitter, and so are the backs of both of my hands, because I went to wipe this one and instinctively wiped the back of my other hand as well, and now the palms and backs of my hands are covered in glitter. So you probably will need an actual makeup wipe to get this eyeshadow off. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Oh, okay. I don't know, like I said, how many of you are return viewers from last year, but there was a whole debacle because I got an entire set of these brushes and I had no idea that they were so special and so valuable. And so I was just like, yeah, it's a brush set. That's nice. And everyone was like, do you know what you have? And so I have since learned that these are very, very good brushes and very high value brushes. I forget what they are called. It says Kumano Fude, but the actual brand is Sonia G. It's a Sonia G brush, and this is the flat definer brush. So that's very nice. I'm so glad to have gotten another Sonia G brush. Next, let's see. This is calling my name because it's giant. We got an Oribe Desertland Replenishing Body Wash, so that's nice. I hope it smells good. It's doesn't really say what it smells like. Let's take it out. Oh wow, so fancy. I'm gonna smell it. It kind of smells like something that would be in the aromatherapy section of Bath and Body Works, but I really like it and I will use it, so that's very nice. Let's see what else we got. We got a hydrating shampoo by the brand Jupiter. Says moisturizes and maintains, powered by Moisture Restore technology. Gentle moisturizing daily cleanser that soothes the scalp while preventing dryness, flakes, and itch. So that's nice. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it has a safety seal. That's good. Let's see. It has a slight scent. It's not real strong, which is fine. At least it's not a scent that I don't like. So it also kind of smells aromatherapy-ish, but very, very light. Definitely not as strong as the body wash. We got two more things in here. So we have a U Beauty The Plasma Lip Compound. Says our patent pending capsules are engineered to precisely dispense ingredients where needed for instantly visible results with minimal irritation. Okay, that's kind of scary. It says to use, apply a small amount to lips, spreading evenly as needed for external use only. I'm very curious as to what these look like, so let me open these. Oh, so it's not capsules like it says. It's basically a lip gloss in the shade Fawn, I'm guessing is the shade, because it didn't say that anywhere on here. At least I don't think it did. Oh, it did. It definitely says Fawn right there. So it's in the shade Fawn. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's a very dark brown. I wonder what that looks like. Oh, Well, it goes on pretty sheer. There's just like a tint of color. I really like that. I think that I will absolutely use this, so that's nice. It also definitely said fawn on the top and I missed that, so that's my bad. And the very last item that is in this box is this Smoke Reflect by Auric, A-U-R-I-C. It is an ultra pigmented metallic cream shadow. I'm guessing it's in the shade Ego. Let's see. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. This package is very heavy. This is like glass. It's very, very fancy feeling, but am I doing something wrong? This says it was a cream shadow, but this is definitely a powder. Ooh, but that color is very, very nice. That color is so nice. Definitely will get use out of that. Am I missing something? Oh, the top screws off. Oh. Yeah, there's definitely a cream shadow in here. That's definitely a gel. Ooh, it's very, very creamy. And that's what it looks like. I don't know if I'll actually use the cream part of it because I have a problem with cream shadows creasing on me, but I'll definitely use the powder part on top. So that's very nice. I'm really happy with that. I was like, there has to be a reason why there's such a heavy glass bottom to this and why it said cream shadow. Well, I figured it out. And then we can go ahead and take a look at the paper because I'm very excited for this paper. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's like panels. Wait, oh. There's like a little bag with a balloon and then you see a little duck peeking out of it and there's little birds looking at him. And then it just keeps going over and this lady sees him coming and then, oh, he just shows up with all kinds of stuff for her. Oh, how cute. I love it. These are going to make such cute notebook covers. Oh, I'm thrilled. That's so cute. I'm surprised that they didn't do a Year of the Snake paper since last year the paper was Year of the Dragon themed, but that's okay. They're doing cute different things with their stuff. And then my favorite thing of the whole box is the Natasha Denona Golden Highlighter Trio. Absolutely thrilled to have this, and I will get you a total of all of these products and I'll be right back. Okay guys, a quick recap of everything we got along with the price. The Natasha Denona Golden Highlighter Trio is $55. The Good Molecules Pimple Patches are $8. This looks like a mini version because the full-size version of this brush has darker bristles and the mini one has white, and this is pretty short. So this is the mini brush and this is $20. For some unknown reason, this is $40.25. Why the 25 cents? I don't know. But $40.25 for the Auric or Eric cream eyeshadow duo. And then the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quad is $58. The Chunky Kitsch hair clip, claw clip was $10. This, which I'm very thrilled to have, and I definitely will use, is $68. This is the U Beauty The Plasma Lip Compound in the shade Fawn. We'll definitely be using that. The Oribe Desertland Replenishing Body Wash. This is $54. And then the Jupiter Hydrating Shampoo is $32. So that gives us a total of $345.25 worth of value here. I paid $150 for the box plus tax and shipping, made it $182.19, and so that gives us an excessive value of $163.06. So that's great. There are a few items that I think I will be passing along. I'm probably going to pass along the Charlotte Tilbury Quad, the Auric Eyeshadow Duo, and probably this Sonia G brush because I have the full set from last year. So these will probably go to my boyfriend's sister or mother. So even with these subtracted from my value, everything that I'm keeping still has a $227 value, which exceeds what I paid for the box by about $45. So I'm thrilled. There's tons of things that I'm going to use, and I'll get the chance to pass some things along for someone else to use. So I'm very happy about that. And overall, a very good lucky box this year, and I am excited for next year's. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.